Well, folks, that Traco move got pushed until next week. It's been a slow couple of weeks. So we decided to come to the property and build a tree stand. Hey, Luna. Hi. Say hi. Check this out. Got it all built yesterday. All we did was add that back piece in. We wanted to close it off. Getting ready to paint it. And then we're going to take the tractor, pick it up, haul it to its spot, put some 4x4s in the ground, hopefully set it right up on top of the 4x4s without hurting ourselves, and have a new tree stand. So we'll see. Let's go. Luna, are you helping your daddy paint? Get it good and blacked out to hide shadows. Painted all this with a sealer, letting it dry. We're going to put the camo to it. Paint one side of this, be a door. Well, there's the tree stand, all painted up, camouflaged up, loaded up on the forks. Now comes the sketchy part. Which way's easier?
Why are you going backwards? Where's that? I can see that. Are you videoing? Uh-huh. Video me. We're on the golf cart. Oh my God. The drunk driver right here. Ow! Oh God, I almost fell.
What's that?
Let me see your toes, Logan.
Looks like I got me a new cameraman.
Video!
Alright, we're getting ready to try to pick this thing up and set it on top of some 4x4s. A little sketchy. Let's see what happens.
Look at my paint. Look at my paint mark. hours later.
Not right anyway.
He's about to have some black nails too.
Okay.
That shows he's been working. That shows he's been working.
Better? Right there? Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm thinking about leaving that for now. Might
Grab that one that you got. You're standing on. Let's put this one right here.
inside here.
Yeah.
It could be a ladder.
Let's put it out here. Outside here, it'd be a ladder.
Oh, you opened it already?
Pick it up.
All right. Thank you.
Pick it up. Yeah, we can get in there.
I want to level it for a bit. Match it with the bottom one. You got a tape measure?
Pretty close.
Match.
All right.
Chainsaw.
Well, let's take the
Climb up this already.
let's take the pressure off of it. See what happens.
All right, Aaron. Stand back. See what it does. It might squeak a little bit.
Yeah, there's no pressure on it.
You're right.
Hey,
Who's gonna go? Who's gonna climb up there and get the strap?
I will.
Go.
No, y'all can't. No, son.
Oh man.
Here, hold this.
I want it.
You gotta go the other side. Is it on
just
that?
climb in there. Yeah, you can get to it.
That's my boy.
Yeah. I was trying to beat him to it, but I'm. No more pull-ups for this old man.
I can't.
I bet you can. You're young.
Pull up.
Minnie,
Wait a few years.
there's a trespasser in your tree stand.
Hey,
The tree stand.
don't ever.
Where's my gun at?
Watch out, son. Where's he at?
You should just do it.
That damn Austin took that out of my truck. He went down to roll it up.
I agree with that.
It don't feel too bad.
Can I go up?
Down, down.
It don't feel too bad though.
Lean it a little bit this way, but
It's already,
How does it wobble when you? That's pretty damn good. If I go back and forth, it's like
yeah,
I'm banging, but
it's tipping a little bit, but
with this brand new, Rachel will take care of that.
Christian.
It's
Screw them
leaning
up.
this way a little bit.
you can.
This.
Diving
Can I
that
go
way.
up?
No, not yet.
You can put a brace from here to here, cut them at an angle It ain't bad. on both sides.
Which way is it leaning?
Take care of that. It's leaning that way a little bit and diving back just a little.
The water will run off of it. That's exactly the way we intended it.
Bit. I mean, it ain't bad. Hey, it ain't bad.
We cut these legs 2 inches shorter.
It
than
ain't bad.
these.
It ain't bad, man. To be honest with you.
Is it working?
Yes, sir. I hate it.
He's tractor man and cameraman. And we got a whole fleet of supervisors. A whole fleet of them.
And there's Picasso.